Hi, it's Phil at Small Farm. We're out here in Central Texas. It's over 100 degrees today. We've been running this RB511DX. I just wanted to tell you that this baler, it's a twine baler, but it's designed to bale heavy material like Johnson grass, Sudan grass, corn stalks, milo stubble, pearl millet, your taller, stockier grasses. This is the baler for you. We have a lot of people that request a baler that can bale corn stalks or milo stubble or something like that. The roller type balers have a difficult time doing that because they don't have the traction to roll dry material.